Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been kind of sporadically that I've been uploading to YouTube, but I have been getting a lot done. I just haven't really been posting a whole lot. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start posting a whole lot more. But anyway, what we're gonna be doing today, I bought some window louvers for the 2012 Mustang GT that you've seen that we did the 2013 GT500 rear conversion with the tail lights. You've seen that I was putting the 2013 front end together with the hood, the Super Snake hood, but you haven't seen it completed yet. Next video, I will show you exactly what I did to the front of that car, complete. It's all together. I'm just missing one piece. What I got was the MMD by Foose from American Muscle. It is more of a flush mount scoop. It doesn't stick out nearly as far as the other ones. I got the unpainted because I've been, if you've seen in other videos, learning how to paint. So I wanted to kind of practice on these as well. They are just an ABS plastic, adhere with double-sided tape, but I've already got my UA paint code black. That is the paint code for that car mixed. So we're going to spray these real quick after we scuff them with like 600 or 800 grit. They already did prep just a little bit of a part of it, but this is just kind of just a black ABS plastic. Could probably use it if you wanted to, if it didn't have the kind of sanding marks on it. Let's spray these real quick and then we'll get to the install. All right guys, so we used the 800 grit scuff pad to scuff these down. I'm going to give them one final wipe down with wax and grease remover. I already have my paint mixed into my gun. I am using the Campbell House Filled, I think that's how you say it, gun from Walmart. Comes with the gauge and everything and a Harbor Freight 21-gallon air compressor. So this is like true DIY type stuff. No, I don't have any fancy equipment. I don't have a paint booth. So yes, I'm spraying outside because right now that is what I have access to. So I'm going to go ahead, wipe these down one more time and put the first coat of black down. All right guys, so here we go. This is going to be coat number one. I'm just going to do like 2 coats for coverage and then clear them because they're just quarter panel or window louvers. So don't need a crazy amount of material on them, but enough to get the job done. Guys, so all of the base coat is down. We ended up doing 1 tack coat and 2 coats of color. It looks pretty good. Got a little bit of trash in that one, but not too bad. This one looks pretty good. Waiting on them to dry before we clear coat them. I'm starting to kind of run out of daylight, so I'm not for sure if I'm going to completely get them installed until tomorrow, which will be in like 20 seconds for you guys. But I'm going to lay down some clear coat. I'll let you see them after that is done. And then I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, so it is the next day. We did get 3 coats of base and 3 coats of clear on these. Because I was painting outside, there is a little bit of trash, kind of dirt in the clear coat, which is no big deal because I'm gonna wet sand and buff the entire car anyway. Because as you've seen in the previous videos, we did a new rear bumper, we did a new hood, we did a new front bumper, and I'm gonna be painting the side skirts that are matte black, gloss black as well. So a little bit of trash in the paint is not a big issue to me. Now that being said, if you order these MMD by Foose window louvers from American Muscle, go ahead and get them painted if you don't know how to paint or you don't feel like painting. It's only, I think it's like a $70 option. Because I was already learning how to paint anyway, I figured why not? It'll give me a little bit of practice. So as far as the install goes, it is very, very simple. 1 out of 5 stars if I had to rate it, because it's literally double-sided tape after that. It comes with the whole kit of double-sided tape, and it comes with the grills that go in the front of the scoop. So let's go over to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 3M tape on it. We'll get them installed, see what this looks like. So obviously the premise of these is just to cover up this quarter panel window, and they literally set on there just like that. They will double side tape on, and it does come with the grill that goes in here that pretty much sets it flush with this, but that is what they look like installed. I like them because it is more flush to the window, doesn't stick out, and it's not very huge. So on the California Special with these side scoops, I think it gives it a nice look as far as all of that goes, especially with the new hood that I will show you guys in the next video. All right, so we have all the double-sided tape peeled off and put on the actual louver. This is actually 2 pieces and it is Velcro. So you can actually, once you get these on there, you're able to actually quick release them as well. And the vent sticks in there with double-sided tape as well. Fits in just like you would imagine it does. So let me go ahead, peel off the other side of the double-sided tape, and we'll go ahead and get these installed and see what they look like. All right, so the next step, we'll take the supplied alcohol wipes, wipe this down real good to get any kind of dirt and contaminants off of it, which on my car is probably a lot. All right, guys, and as you would imagine, it is pretty much just clipping this over top, putting some pressure on it, and that is all as far as install goes. Like I said, it's a 1 out of 5. If you buy these unpainted, you will have these installed within 20 minutes of having them off the box. The longest part is putting on the double-sided tape and peeling it off. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this other side up, and I'll show you the completed project. All right, guys, there is the finished product. Like I said, if you buy these painted, it's very, very easy. These are the best looking window scoops that I've seen because, like I said, they're not really big and bulky like the other ones. They have a very sleek design, and if you got the side scoops down here, it kind of looks really, really good. Here is the passenger side as well. Looks incredible. And like I said, I think these were $150 or $179, something like that online. American Muscle has a real good install video, but this is just kind of an overview of everything I did with my car, just because I'm documenting everything that I do with this car. So guys, that's going to be it for this upload. If you like this video, please go down below, hit that thumbs up button. Apparently it helps the channel out in some way, shape, form, or fashion. If you want to kind of get a scoop of things that I'm doing that I don't post to YouTube, head over to my Instagram, hit that follow button. I sometimes post over there. Most importantly, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button below. Help me out. We're on our way to 4K. Just hit 3,500 not too long ago, so I'd like to get to 4K before the end of the year. So that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you guys on the next video.